For each loop, we will use to fetch the elements from collections. For each loop, we will use to fetch the elements from collection. Due to that reason, for each we will not use now. Sorry, for which we will not learn now. We will learn or we will discuss this for each before we are discussing a topic called collections. There is one topic in C#.NET called collections. Will be discussed before, after. Oops, we'll see the topic at the time of topic. I'll give you the clarity about for each loop. Up to that, just remember that we didn't discuss for each loop. Okay. Now we are going for third category of control statements, nothing but jump statements. Jump statements. Yeah, what we can do by using jump statements. Using jump statements, we can mute yourself, all of you, mute. We can transfer them. It's better to mute yourself whenever I am asking question or whenever you want to talk. You can unmute. Using jump statements, we can transfer the control from one statement to another statement. We can transfer the control from one statement to another statement using jump statements. We can transfer the control from one statement to another statement. Yeah. In C#.NET, we have following jump statements. In C#.NET, we have following jump statements. Okay. They are number one. Break. Number two, continue. Number three, number two, continue. Number three, number one, break. Number two, continue. Number three, yes, number three, go to. Number four, right, return. Number five, throw. Number one, break. Number two, continue. Number three, go to. Number four, return. Number five, throw. Totally, we have five category of jump statements. Okay, right. Coming to break. What we can do by using break. And before entering into this concept, let's analyze like this. Small analyzation, all of you. And one more thing, up to go to is completed for them. Okay, right. And when the session is going on, try to cooperate with me regarding timings especially. Okay, because everything I'm implementing all these things by considering your comfort, means want to complete you people syllabus very fast. That is my plan. Okay, right. Yeah. Coming to break. Before that, let me give you one small analyzation. That is, what is that, So, we have different requirements. Now I am going to tell you. Let's say you are writing a program. Statement 1, requirement. Statement 2, statement 3, statement 4. Execute. Come and tell me. Execute. Come and tell me. Is there, for this requirement, it's continuation executing. For this requirement, do we need to use any control statement?
No, sir.
No. Control statement.
No.
Another requirement. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, statement 4. This is the requirement. In this requirement, control should execute 1, 2, but 3 may execute or may not execute. But 4 will execute. Means statement 3 will execute sometimes, may not execute sometimes. Do we need any control statement for this requirement?
Yes, sir.
What is the concept? Conditional
If condition.
conditional statements. To achieve this requirement, we have to go for what? Conditional statements. Second requirement, you need to execute statement 1, statement 2, and statement 3 and statement 4. But statement 3, 1 should execute, 2 should execute, 3 should execute, 4 should execute, 3 may execute 1 time, or may execute 2 times, or may execute 0 times, or may execute n times. Depends. To achieve this, we need to use a control statements called
Loops.
loops. And third requirement is statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, statement 4. Execute 1, 2, and jump into 3. Here we need to use a control statements called jump statement. We need to use a control statements called jump statements. So that is the story about in this way we will use control statements, guys. So now, yeah, we are going for a concept called jump statements. When we will go for jump statements, whenever we want to transfer the control from one statement to another statement, we'll go for jump statements. We'll go for jump statements. Now you guys tell me, Neha, when we'll go for jump statements? Whenever, Neha, when we'll go
Whenever we want to
for
transfer the control from one statement to another statement.
we'll go for what? Jump statements. Okay,
Jump
right.
statements.
And the people who are attending training in India, from India, you guys can meet me sometimes when you will be in Hyderabad, or whenever you have a free time, you can give me a message. I'll give you the timing where you can meet in institute, where I will organize the classes. You can come to there and you can meet me personally. And don't inform to them or to our institute people that you are attending online classes, because online training is it's my personal classes. Okay. And Chari is already meeting me. Giri can meet me. Neha, Poonam, already my old student, she met me. I think she's from Pune. Renuka from Vijayawada, and Shiva from Hyderabad. You can meet me sometime whenever you are free. And Sukanya, already my old student. And Teja is from my native place. Aditya is my current batch student. The guys who are attending from India, if whenever you have a time, and you can meet me in my institute, Satya Technologies, after training. Generally, if you are interested to, if you are in Hyderabad, want to meet me, you can send me a message. I'll tell you the convenient time, and you can come to there and you can meet me. Okay, right. Coming to break, let's go for break. And before that, let's recall. We have discussed the conditional statements. We have discussed loops. We are going to discuss jump statements. Here, my question to all the people. First, to Chari, when we will go for conditional statements? Chari, when we will go for conditional statements? Whenever?
Whenever we have more than one options, we want to execute one option based on condition.
No.
We can go for condition.
No. My question is when we will go for conditional statements. Yeah, I'll tell you. Whenever we want to execute a statement based on condition. Whenever you want to execute a single statement or block of statements based on condition, you go with what? Conditional statements. Next, when we will go for loops, right? Shiva, when we will go for loops?
When we have a fixed condition.
When we will go for loops, Shiva? Whenever we want to
Whenever we want to execute a single statement or block of statements,
multiple
times based on conditions.
we'll go for loops. Now, yeah, Harsha, you tell me when we'll go for jump statements.
Uh, when we have multiple statements, when we want to jump from when we want to jump the control from one statement to another statement,
Yes.
then we use jump control.
Yeah, simple. Whenever we want to transfer the control from one statement to another statement, we'll use what? Jump statements. And we have 5 types of jump statements. Number 1, break. Number 2, continue. Number 3, go to. Number 4, return. Number 5, throw. Yes. Okay, right. Now come back to break. Break. Yes, break will, listen, break will move the brake will transfer the control out of loop block or switch block. So brake will transfer the control out of the current loop block or current switch block. It will transfer the control out of the current loop block or current switch block. Already we used brake. In brake where we used already Urmil, where we used brake already.
Break.
Yeah,
Yeah.
where we used it. We used brake within the switch. Already we used brake within
Yeah.
the
Switch case.
in the switch we used brake. Okay, there what the brake is doing. Once brake is executed, control is moving out of the
Out of the switch.
switch block. Similarly, we can move the control out of the loop also with the help of brake. So brake. Okay, now we'll see the brake. One task with brake. The task: write a console program to print 1 to 100 numbers. 1 to 100 numbers by using 1 to 100 numbers, but output should be like below. Output should be like below. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Logic is printing 1 to 100 numbers. Writing a logic to print 1 to 100 numbers, but output should be 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. That should be the output. Can you try this? First you have to write the logic to print 1 to 100 numbers. You have to write the logic to print 1 to 100 numbers. Right. For int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 100, I plus console dot write line I I. Okay, right. 1 to 100. It's printing 1 to 100. Okay. So here 1 to 100. But you need to print only 1 to 5. Output should be 1 to 5. Means after printing 5, the control should go out. That's why if I equal to 5, break. If I equal to 5, break. I equal to 5, break. Okay, now you see F10, I equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 100, right line of 5, 1 equal to 5, false, right, 2 equal to 5, false, like that, 3 equal to 5, false, block will be skipping, 4 equal to 5, false, 5 equal to 5, 5 equal to 5, come on, 5 equal to 5, come on, true or false, 5 equal to 5, true, control will enter into the block, it will execute what break. What break will do?
Out of
Break
the
will transfer out of the block or loop.
out of the break.
Out of the break will transfer. It is if closing. It is called if block. It is called loop block. It will transfer out of the block or out of the loop block.
Out of the loop, sir.
Out of the loop. You observe this. It's moving. It's moving. It's moving like this. Now that's the reason console.readline. Only 5 numbers. That is a story about break. Then when can I use break? Whenever we want to transfer the control out of the switch block or out of the loop block. Whenever we want to transfer the control out of the switch block, out of the loop block, then we can use a jump statement called break. Then we can use a jump statement called break. Right. Next, coming to continue. Next, continue. What continue will do? Continue will skip the current iteration of the loop. Continue will skip the current iteration of the loop. Continue will skip the current iteration of the loop. Okay, so skip the current iteration of the loop. If you want to know this, very simple. Write a console program to print 1 to 10 numbers. 1 to 10 numbers. 1 to 10 numbers. But output will be like below. Output will be like below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So printing 1 to 10, but in that which number is skipping? 6. Yeah, come on, do it. Right. We want to print 1 to 10 numbers. 1 less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Console dot write line of I. Console dot write line of I. Console dot write line of I. Okay. Console dot write line of I. 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Okay. Now, but you want to skip one number. One number. Which number you want to skip? Which number you want to skip? See, which number you want to skip means no response. Sixth number. Sixth number. 6 means what? Before printing the 6, if I equal to 6, if I equal to 6, if I equal to 6, come on. If I equal to 6, what is this? Continue. Continue. If I equal to 6, continue. Means what? Yeah. What it will do? Let's trace. Can you guess what is the output for this? 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Let's see how the control is going. For that, you put a breakpoint. Fix a breakpoint in F10. I equal to 1. Observe. I equal to 1. 1 is unequal to 10. 1 equal to 6. True or false? 1 equal to 6. False.
False.
So, if block will be skipping. Console dot write line of 5. So, 1. Like that, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will print. Okay, 5 will print. In 5 iterations also, block will be false. So, block will be skipping. Now, it's going for 6th iteration. I plus plus 6. 6 less than or equal to 10. True. 6 equal to 6. 6 equal to 6. True. True. Enter. 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 What is that? Continue. What is that? Continue. Continue means what? What it will do, you know? it will skip the current iteration. Whatever it is executed, but remaining iteration will never execute. Directly it will go to increment operator. It will go to increment operator, means console.writeLine is skipping. That's why 6 is not printing. 6 plus plus 7. 7 less than or equal to 10. True. 7 equal to 6. What? True or false? False. Console.writeLine of I 7. Again 8. Again 9. Again 10. And 11. False. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. When we will go for continue then? When we will go for continue? Whenever we want to skip the current, whenever we want to skip
Iteration.
the current iteration. Whenever you want to skip the current iteration, you go with what?
Continue.
Continue. Okay, right. Next, go to. So with go to, I am stopping. Go to off only. I taught to the 5:30 batch. Tomorrow onwards, your session will be from 5:30 to 7:30, 2 hour session. Okay, up to go to one example I have given to them, and second example we will discuss tomorrow. So 5 minutes I am closing today class, and tomorrow onwards we will have the sessions from 5:30 to 7:30. Using go to, what we can do? Using go to, we can transfer the control from one state, transfer the control to the targeted label or targeted switch. Targeted label or targeted switch. Targeted label or targeted switch case. Using goto, we can transfer the control to the targeted label, targeted switch case. Targeted switch case. Okay, so that is a story about this. Okay guys, using goto, we can transfer the control to the targeted label or targeted switch case. Targeted switch case, right? Okay, so first we'll try like this. Task for you. Task for you. Yeah. Transfer the control to the targeted label example. Targeted label example. Here, label can be a user defined. Label can be a user defined. It is not a statement. It is a user defined. Let's see what is that. I'll write the program. You observe. You observe. Yes. Console dot write line. I like
21 hours.
right. I like C sharp .NET. I like C sharp .NET. C sharp .NET and console dot write line. I like ASP.NET. Yes, I like ASP.NET. Console dot write line. I like ADO. I like Java and console dot write line. Console dot write line. I like ADO.NET. I like ADO.NET. Okay. Now go to skip and coming to skip. Go to skip, coming to skip. Right. Coming to skip. Right. Okay. What is the output for this, guys? Output is I like C#.NET. I like ASP.NET. I like Java. I like ADO.NET. Right? Hmm? Is it output like this? No. What is
It
output?
won't.
Yeah. What is output? I'll show you. I like first control will execute. I like C#.NET. I like ASP.NET. You observe. I like ASP.NET. Go to skip. Go to skip. Go to skip. Here skip. Here go to is this is a statement, but this is not a statement. Here this is a label. The label is not a statement. That's why colon. That can be alphanumeric, alphabet, or numeric, or it can be a character. It can be a character. So now you can observe here control is executing watch. Control is executing watch. Right. Yeah, you observe. Go to skip. Go to skip means directly control is transferring to, you observe, transferring to after skip. After label it is transferring because skip is not a statement. It will never execute. Okay, console.writeline. I like ADO.NET. I like ADO. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the story about this one. So with this goto we can transfer the control out of the say targeted what label, targeted label. But one important point you remember, implementing goto is not recommended. Last choice you can go with what? Goto. Okay, right. So because what the problem with the goto will disturb the application flow like anything. So don't use goto. Use it only in last worst cases. Right. Now next task for you with the help of goto. Implementing divide by divide by 0 error by using simple if and go to. Yeah, one question to all the people: did we implement a divide by 0 error program already?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, did we implement a divide by 0 error already? Yes. Divide by 0 error
No.
program did we implement it with the help of simple if?
Simple if no, sir.
Uh, uh, Shiva, did we implement it with the help of simple if?
It will only be executed once, sir. It
Once.
will not check again.
Will verify only once. But what I am asking you, there is a reason we tried with the while and do while. But what I am asking you, same simple if divide by 0 error with the help of simple if and go to combination, we can implement 100%. 100%. You can implement 100%. Can you try, guys? Try. Implement divide by 0 error program with the help of simple if and go to. This is the last program for today. Simple if. Please enter first number, enter second number, enter second number. Please enter second number other than 0, like that. Implement this tomorrow. We'll implement this tomorrow class, and tomorrow we'll see this and we'll see some other examples next return through. After these jump statements, we are entering into a concept called arrays. After arrays, we'll see couple of logical programs. Then we'll enter into OOPS. Very soon we are entering into OOPS, most important topic. Once OOPS is completed, advanced C#, then we'll enter into ASP.NET. Get ready for all the people for OOPS. And tomorrow onwards, the timing will